she hopped like the Dukes of Hazzard, and she grabbed the keys and she went into the apartment. Okay. That key is a $750 key. Okay.
Sit down.
I'm not a dog. I'm not sitting down like I'm a dog. I'm not a dog.
Stay right there.
Ew, you're like 10. She's not looking out for her uncle who's being taken over by a drunk person, and I got drunk to call her out on it. Okay. Cool. Turn off all the lights that are showing this scene right now.
Okay.
I'm seeing you in here.
Okay, well, you're not going to just enter the cop car. Hold on a second, okay?
Can I please?
You don't want to give me your name?
Drunk.
I don't want to call you drunk. What's your name?
My name is Drunk.
Everything's good. Thank you, ma'am.
Clearly. Everything okay? No.
Well, ma'am, that we're not going to, okay?
No, ma'am. Arrest me. Like I said, let's go.
Not on hold. There's a patient in the back of it.
She kept saying how she wasted her gas driving all the way back up here. Just basically upset that I wouldn't give her anything for free.
From a naked man stealing an ambulance with a patient inside, to a fight at a dentist's office over paperwork, and a woman who basically arrests herself, we're taking you through 6 totally absurd arrests caught on Bodycam. Welcome to After Hours, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Jesse Weber. We begin today's episode in what we may think may be the capital of absurd arrests, Florida. In May 2025, Orlando police go to an apartment complex where a tow truck driver was trying to snag a car with no license plate. The driver says a woman slid into the cab of the truck and stole his very expensive key.
Hi.
You're the tow truck driver?
Yes.
Hi. How you doing?
I'm getting footage of what she did, but I also have a video of her trying to attack me and the HOA guy.
So what's going on?
I was in the process of hooking the car up.
Okay.
And then the one with the black and white, not those two, the other female, I have her on video. Okay. She went into my truck from the passenger seat. She hopped like the Dukes of Hazzard, and she grabbed the keys and she went into the apartment. Okay. That key is a $750 key. Okay.
How is it a $750 key?
Because it's a program key. With having somebody come out here to program it is that much. Okay. My manager's coming in a few minutes.
So where you said she's not on scene, she went inside.
These two, they're all in the same apartment. These two are here that are watching. Okay. They're all together.
Okay. So what, you just want your keys back, or you want?
I want the keys back, and also the reason why they took the key, because they don't want me to take that car that has no plates. I already have it hooked up, and if they want their car back, they can go pick it up at 524 Ring Road.
Oh, okay. All right, so you just want your keys?
I just want my keys and call it a day.
All right, no problem. Hello, how y'all doing? Hey. Great. So, can I explain to you what's going on?
So, we live here for 7 years.
Okay.
Never been a tow truck. This man with the green shirt supposed to be the neighborhood watch.
Okay.
7 years I've been fighting. Even my landlord told me, nope, when I signed the lease, nobody's allowed to park in front of your door. Okay. But everybody come in and park in front of anybody's door, visitors. Don't matter, skip it.
Gotcha.
He never paid attention to that. So we caught him on camera, and the neighbors also caught him going around people behind cars, checking out their tag. And then so all of a sudden today, out of the blue, the car getting towed and he's standing outside. Right. And he's sitting here telling us, oh, I didn't call, but the neighbor just text me and say you the one that did it, because they caught you on camera doing that. So
all right, I understand all that.
Never ever 7 years, you could ask anybody in the neighborhood, have we ever had any tow truck rolling in here? The car parked in front of my door. So I'm trying to understand what problem is it. I have my registration in hand. The person's coming to get the car's already signed to them. So I'm trying to understand what is the problem with the car parked here for one day.
All right, no problem. Quick question. He's stating that someone took his keys. Who took his keys?
I didn't take his key. I just pulled in because I had to pick up my daughter from practice.
Well, he's stating that someone took his keys. Someone took his keys.
So it had to be my daughter.
Where's your daughter?
She's inside.
All right, tell her, well, we need those keys back, because that's what he's asking for right now, the keys for his car. And secondly, I see a tow notice on the side of the car. I might not know the rules of this HOA in this area, but once they put that tag on your car is going to get towed. And plus,
Right.
you don't even have a tag on
Yeah, because
on the
I
car.
took the tag off today. I took the tag off today. This is the registration.
I understand that,
this is
but
the title to the car.
where it looks like it was already one warning already on the car, then there was a second one.
There was no second warning. Both of them was in the window.
Okay. Well,
at the same time.
Well, I don't know what you mean.
And that was literally a couple of days ago. And I have
okay,
this right
I understand
here.
that, but that's a warning saying they could tow at any time.
At any time, but
they basically giving you a warning. So what he's suggesting, he just wants his keys so he could take the car, but y'all could go to the tow truck yard and actually pick the car back up. That's all he wants. He just wants his keys back so he could do his job and leave.
Okay, I'm gonna get my daughter to give him the keys.
Give him the keys.
But just so you understand what's going on here.
Yeah, I understand everything's going on, but the thing is, rules is rules.
I understand.
Yeah, rules is rules.
Rule is rule.
Yeah, that's the thing. Rules is rules. Because
you just got here, so you don't know.
So the issue date is the 20, which is the 26th. Mm-hmm. The vehicle will be towed on the 27th, which is yesterday. So they actually gave y'all a chance to actually take the car away, but for my mistake, y'all didn't tow the car away. So it was issued on the 26th. They was going to tow it on the 27th. Today is the 28th. So they have all the rights to tow away the car.
I understand that because we have a tow person if we need to get a car towed from this area.
That. But can you call your daughter so she can get the key?
He just happened to pop up out of the blue.
I got you.
And just tow the car, right?
I got you. But if was anything physical here today? Did anybody pit? Oh, it was just verbal.
Well, I just got here. Everybody was inside.
All right. Can you call your daughter so we could get the keys?
Okay.
No problem. Where's the keys?
Got a lot of other ones. So I guess.
All right, no problem. Well, just stay right here for a second. Where's your daughter? She's inside?
I'm not going on that side.
Huh?
I'm not going nowhere.
But your daughter's inside, right? Okay, no problem.
Was that his
Is this your keys?
Yeah, those are my keys.
Yes. So tell her she needs to come out here.
Yeah.
The woman at the center of this drama is 23-year-old Claudina Frederick, although, as you'll see, getting her name out of her is a lot harder than it should have been. Claudina, who's a hairstylist, according to her Instagram page, seems calm as she comes out to talk to police, but that quickly changes.
I'm sorry. I thought I said I'm coming to get her.
Yeah, we need her to come outside.
Okay. I said I was getting her, right?
All right, no problem.
Okay.
Hello, how you doing? Officer here with the Orlando Police Department. Can we step over there and can you give me your side of the story? What happened?
We can stand right there.
No, I feel more comfortable talking about it right there. But I feel more comfortable talking about it over there.
Why? Right where they at?
Yeah, no, just right in front of there.
What's wrong with here?
No, we could talk over there.
Well, what's wrong with here?
No, I feel more comfortable talking over there.
And I'm telling you, as a citizen, I feel comfortable right here. As a citizen.
What are you doing?
Bro, are you kidding me? I'm not.
Just be on the back. Chill out, chill out.
Don't say one word. I got your phone.
Chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out.
You're going to jail too.
Chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out, chill out.
Black man.
Chill out, chill out, chill out.
Black man.
Chill out, chill out.
Say something. Please say one. Black man.
Stay calm, Cookie. Don't say a word. It's recording. Please don't say a word. Don't say a word.
How old are you?
Don't say a word, please. Do not say one word.
How old are you?
Not one word. If they need any answer, let them figure it out themselves.
Come on.
As she's taken to the squad car, she suddenly stops walking, saying her knee has locked up.
Can you stand right here? Okay.
Need a fire department?
Need fire rescue? All right. Can you stand right here? We just need to pat you down.
My knee locked up.
Your knee locked up. Your knee locked up too. All right. Can you move? Can you move? All right, let's go.
Hold on.
You're gonna catch an extra charge.
I said my knee is hurting.
Do you need the fire? Do you need the fire?
Okay.
All right.
Let's go.
Can you sit down? Can you sit in the car? Let's go.
And you feel good doing this to your people for nothing. For nothing. They in your head and you listening to them.
You need OFD? You need fire rescue?
Give me the fire rescue like I asked.
All right, no problem. I got you.
Here, just get her on.
All right. What's your name? Can I get your name? Miss.
My mother told me not to say nothing. I'm a black
I'm
woman.
just trying to get your name.
I'm telling you.
I'm just trying to get your information.
Surrounded by police officers, I feel
You're
uncomfortable.
required to give your name and date of birth. If not, you'll catch another charge.
Okay, well, I feel uncomfortable.
I'm just asking for your name.
You want me to give you my name and I tell you I'm feeling uncomfortable? I'm literally finna panic. Give me a second.
What's your name, ma'am? Hey, quick question. Can you get your daughter information? Her name?
No, sir. No, you cannot.
Her name?
Got yourself.
Her name or no?
Do your job.
I'm just trying to get her
I was
information.
doing mine too, okay? Come on.
All right, no problem.
Right.
Yeah.
Just leave the piece of the demon that is trying to take me down.
What's your name?
In the name of Jesus, I pray that you cover me in the blood of Jesus, Lord. I pray that you see.
All right, miss, what's your name?
That protects me, Lord, in the name of Jesus. And the Lord.
Miss, what's your name? I want to read you your rights before I start questioning you.
Protect me every day, Lord.
You understand?
Continue to do so.
I'm trying to read you your rights.
Jesus. In
All
the
right.
name of Jesus, I
Whenever I
surrender
say,
to you.
whenever I read a
surrender
line,
to you,
just let me
God.
know if you understand or
I
not,
surrender
okay?
to you, Jesus.
I'm about to read you your
In the name
rights.
of Jesus Christ, you died.
You have the right to remain
on the
silent.
cross
Do you
for
understand?
me. In the name of Jesus,
Do you understand?
You died on the cross for me. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall
So
not
you're
want.
refusing your rights?
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
Excuse
He
me,
maketh
you're
lie
refusing
down in
rights?
green pastures.
All
He
right.
leadeth me beside the still water. He restores
Ma'am,
my
if you don't provide your name and date of birth, you catch
My
another
name is
charge.
Claudina Fredericks. You guys are the officers. Why are y'all not doing your job? Because he keep asking me for my name.
All right, can you spell that?
Claudina Fredericks.
Can you spell that?
Claudina Fredericks. I'm telling you.
If I knew how to spell it, I wouldn't be.
Okay, well, you told me my name.
Can you spell it
asked
for me?
my name. Claudina Fredericks. Date of birth.
All right, can you spell that for me?
I don't know how to spell my name. You asked me for my name, I gave it to you.
Katrina.
All right, you're gonna get listed in as Jane Doe. You won't get a bail until you tell us.
I just told you my name is Claudina Fredericks.
I'm trying to tell you.
White man don't talk to me like that.
Hey, racist.
I am. And you been racist. CLAUDJINA. Spell it.
C-L.
Ma, he keep talking to me. He talking about him to get another charge. I have.
All right, can you step in? C-L-U. C.
Please.
CLU.
And you just got the devil on your face.
CLU.
My mom said I could be quiet, so I'm quiet, bro.
But if you
my mom said I could be
take you to the
quiet.
jail, you won't get a bill.
My mom said I can be quiet. I just told you my name.
Can you spell it for me? I'm just asking you to spell it.
I just spelled it.
CLU.
That's what you heard after 3 times.
CLU. CLU what?
Oh Jesus, I hope you.
Miss CLU. I'm just trying to get your name.
And then after you get my name, then what's next? Because I'm a citizen, so I can ask you what's next after that.
We'll just. I just
You're
need
just
your
gonna
name
what? What are you gonna do? I'm a citizen. I can ask you what's next after that.
We'll deal with that later.
What?
CLU.
What's next? I'm a citizen. You can tell me what's happening next.
Next, you're going to jail.
So even if I give you my name or I don't give you my name, I'm going down.
But if you don't give me your name, you're gonna be entered as John Doe. Then you won't have a bill.
So I'm going to jail regardless.
Yes.
Like, bro.
So what's your name?
I just told you that, bro.
CLU.
And you fucking with a black woman, bro. Go ahead.
And now you're catching the battery charge.
While a few officers deal with Claudina, others are trying to get the story from the tow truck driver, who's just trying to do his job.
All right. Yep.
You guys involved with this whole thing?
Yeah, I'm the board in charge. I'm the vice president of the board here.
Okay. What happened?
But I don't have a control of the tow company. I don't have no control of that. I am a control more fixing the property. She think because I come outside, thinking I did that on purpose to hurt her. I don't do that kind of stuff. I don't hurt my neighbors.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying to you? And she started cursing me out. Her friends. She have a video.
I have the video.
Started cursing me out, telling me he want to hurt my mom, want to hurt my vehicle. You know what I'm saying?
She also verbally threatened me too. And we have a contract that any vehicle with no tags, we remove it. It also got stickered for other stuff too, that car. So that's why I have it fully hooked up. She can get her car back, but she has to retrieve it back at the 524 Ring Road. If she didn't do this, maybe if all the other people that I had to get involved didn't, but I told my boss wants that car in the yard so they can come with a title or something to retrieve
If
it.
she could get me really nice to me, like I could call the property manager who in charge, who doing this contract. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't have a control of that contract. I have nothing authority to do nothing about this. And she think I'm doing things to hurt people here. How I want to hurt my neighbors? My neighbors. This is my people here.
And let me know if you wish to see the video. I have it.
Well, yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll take a look at it.
It has curses in it, so.
Hope I can handle it.
The funny, he took my neighbor's the car.
Hold on. Here, go ahead. It's a lady with the black and white.
I'm pressing charges against you.
We've been here for 7 years dealing with your sorry client. Literally! Get the out of here. You don't do shit. You don't. You act like we just moved in. We years shit. And that's your car? That's you?
What's the video of her going into your
That's you right
No,
there.
my boss, he has to get from the server. But she went into the car because she has the keys.
How, are we able to get that video?
I'm trying to get the video now.
Okay.
I am president, the vice president of the board.
But she
I
went
have
into
no
the truck,
authority
private
to
car.
tow people car. It's a property manager who deal with this. If you think I want to
Did either of them do anything besides y'all?
No, the only thing is the one that's not present went into the window and yanked the keys. Now, I can't touch a female. Yeah, so. Yeah, it's with the black. Yeah, in there.
Was that his key?
Yeah, those are my keys. Yeah.
Well, tell her she needs to come out here.
Yeah.
All right, I'm waiting.
That's how they work, right?
No, this wasn't like
I'm
this.
waiting.
She damaged this.
You deny because you scared. But it's okay. When you snitch,
It's about to get sporty. Just keep working
I
on
called the
getting that
property
video done.
manager.
Yeah, no, I work on that. If
Call
you
the
need,
property
once
manager.
I get it, I can
They have
email it to you.
Yeah,
Or
we'll give you a link.
He have a
Yeah,
sticker
please.
there, the sign
But
notice.
is-
The car had to be
for her
told
to going
fix
into the truck
problem.
and all that, is there
And
anything
you
that I
have
can
no,
press charges
you
on
have
that?
no license plate.
Okay, 'cause
and
I
you
want
told the
Write
car.
a statement.
Yes, I will write a statement.
How-
Anything that you need, I
Get
will
him on a
provide.
statement. We're gonna
Yeah.
take this.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do this thing. You got your driver's license on you, sir?
Yes.
Is that- there she is.
Was she the victim?
She's the culprit.
She jumped in the truck.
She jumped in the truck. I had the doors locked. She's slamming everything.
Through the window.
You see her grabbing the keys in a second. I went to let the HOA guy know something, but I saw her get in when I was all the way over here.
Did you give her permission to go into your car?
No, I did not. Absolutely. That's why I had the doors locked.
How did she get in if the doors were locked?
Through the window.
Oh, the
She
window.
climbed in here.
Oh, wow.
I got the video. Actually, no, I got the video on my phone. He can show it to you too.
Yeah, that works.
So basically, there they are all yelling at each other back there. But my boss said, I haven't watched it. He said, I sent it to you. You can clearly see her reaching across, throwing the stuff out of the seat.
Don't tell Rob.
Is that all she took?
Yeah, that's all she took.
And how much do you value that key at?
$750 to $1,000 to have my key guy come here right now to make a key.
Okay.
Because honestly, that's what I was trying to find out earlier when he was dealing with you guys, to whether or not I have him come out here right now. It's broken. I got to go meet up with him tomorrow, so I don't know how much it's going to cost me to make a new one.
Were you called here by the homeowners, or were you just
patrolling? He was in here with another car.
No one called you here, though? You were just you're contracted?
Yeah, it's contracted. Anything with no plates, and we also, you see the sticker? And
Yeah.
It was another sticker. So that's why that's
She
getting
pulled the blood.
And I also got the video of her screaming and yelling.
I'll send you a link.
Do you want me to send you both?
Yeah, just make sure you send us this one.
Yeah, I could even send it to you now.
Yep. Did they give you a link?
No, not yet. I'm just using, I don't know.
Okay. Someone should be sending you a link.
So she just sat there and chilled.
She hopped because I had this door locked.
Okay. You got everything you need?
Yeah.
Claudina faced multiple charges, including burglary and battery on a law enforcement officer. The court agreed to drop the charges if she completed 18 months of probation, wrote an apology letter, took an anger management class, and paid restitution to the tow company. But according to an Orange County warrant, Claudina was rearrested in February of 2026 after she allegedly attacked her sister during an argument over a phone charger. According to arrest paperwork, Claudina told officers her sister knew she was on probation and called the police, quote, to spite her. She was ordered to continue her probation with the addition of a batterer's intervention program.
All right, we're going to jump right back into this in a minute, but before we do, I have to tell you about this app called Upside. This is a game changer. So Upside gets you cash back, yes, extra cash back on everyday purchases like gas, groceries, takeout. So here's what you do. You download Upside for free, you claim an offer at one of their 100,000 plus locations, and you pay like normal with your credit card. Then you verify the purchase, and just like that, money back. So say I needed to get gas or I want takeout one night, I'm going to search for Upside offers first, and after I spend, money will appear in my app that I can then transfer right into my bank account. And Upside's frequent users, they earn an average of $254 back a year. That's incredible. So to start getting your cash back, click the link in the description or scan the QR code and use promo code AFTERHOURS to get an extra 25 cents bonus on every gallon on your first tank of gas. Hope you can check it out.
Next, we're in New Jersey, where a woman named Gail Alfano basically begged for officers to arrest her, then got mad that she was under arrest. Let me set the scene. because getting a straight answer out of Gail isn't happening. According to police, Gail and her partner had broken up, and he was with someone new. A police report says Gail showed up at the ex's uncle's house, raising hell in the driveway, and then allegedly followed a family member who confronted her to another house, all while allegedly drunk.
Hello. Hi, what's going on?
I'm so sorry.
Okay, you got your car off? All right, where are your keys at? Hold on, stay in the car. Where's your keys?
I'm going.
Okay, step out. You want to step out? You can step out. Go ahead.
I just wanted them to pay attention.
Go ahead and step out, Gail. Go ahead.
And she's gonna do it.
Gail, can you step out for me? We got to figure out what's going on, okay? All right. We're going to have you go right over here, okay? Hold on 1 second. Straight ahead, okay?
Thanks.
All right, just take a seat, okay? Nope, ma'am. Okay, what's going on?
You should worry about your uncle.
Ma'am, we got to figure that out, okay?
Okay, we'll talk to you in a couple minutes.
That party's separated, both on location.
It's not party separated.
Ma'am,
you're letting your uncle be treated.
Go back. Ma'am, we got to figure out what's going on, but yelling's not going to help.
Ew, you're like 10.
Ma'am,
you're 25.
Relax. Get away from the... Take a seat, please, because in 2 seconds you're going to go in handcuffs if you don't listen.
She's not looking out for her uncle who's being taken over by a drunk person, and I got drunk to call her out on it.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay, take a seat for me, okay?
Oh, she's...
Yeah, you got to take another car. That can't be moved right now, unfortunately. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. What's going on here? Because we're told that
this one has to go get her.
Ma'am, if you continue to yell, you're going to go in handcuffs, okay?
You have to go get your son from nephew.
Ma'am.
Whatever. Stop with the fucking
Okay, well then you need to listen because you're not listening, okay?
At which point did one of these houses let their kids run over there to play games?
Okay.
Stop.
You're having trouble walking right now. In a second, you're going to go in handcuffs.
I'm drunk.
Okay? You're drunk. Okay.
Stop.
Okay. All right. What's going on? Because we're getting told that you're on someone's porch, that now you're leaving, and we pull in and you pull up right behind us. What's going on?
Please, someone move my car so they can
the car's
do what
staying
they
right there because we need
to
to figure out what's going on.
Can you go move my car,
No one's going to be moving your car. No.
They need to go do what they need for their family business.
They have another car. They're already leaving. We don't have to worry about them. We need to worry about what's going on with you.
You don't know that because they're not saying that to you.
Okay, well, we need to worry about what's going on with you. Okay, so you're going to stay here because where'd you come from?
Chrissy, you really needed this?
Ma'am.
Look at her.
Ma'am, there's multiple people outside right now. You continue to, you're going to get locked up shortly. I've given you plenty of chances to start listening to us. Yelling out, you're no longer going to do that, okay? You came here for what reason?
She is covering for the woman that is taking over her uncle's house.
Who's she? I don't know who she is. That's why I'm asking. Got to figure it out, right? I don't know everything. Well, who is she?
Does it really matter?
Well, it does, because we were called here and we have to figure that out, yes.
401 County, myself, 42510.
In the meantime, she gets to talk to the neighbors and do all this.
Okay. So who is she to you? Ma'am.
Could you please stop with the ma'am?
Okay, well, what's your name then?
I'm definitely drunk.
You're drunk. Okay.
Yeah.
Where'd you come from, Brian?
No, I'm not arguing. Stop.
I'm not saying you are, but you're walking around us. We got to make sure you're okay, number one.
Stop.
Are you related to them, or are you friends with them?
They're going to be...
What's your relation to them? Are you friends?
Stop the light.
Okay, can you take a seat then? Because we asked multiple times we can take a seat. All right. Okay, well, don't walk into it. You want to take a seat in the car? Okay.
Your guys are going to...
So we got to figure out what's going on. You drove here, you got out, you told me you're drunk, and now you're standing here. So what's going on? You came here, were you at the residence?
Turn off the lights on me, just sit in the car.
Okay. If we let you take a seat, are you going to be willing to tell us what's going on?
31-410 County, 1011.
Turn off the lights.
Okay. Can you do me a favor? Can you take a seat?
In your car.
Okay. You'll take a seat in the car? Okay. All right, hold on 1 second. What was your name? I'm Officer Schwades. I didn't get to get your name yet. What was your name?
065, copy.
Man, what was your name?
Turn off the lights that are showing all this on the...
Okay, what was your name?
Turn off all the lights that are showing this scene right now.
Okay.
I'm sitting going here.
Okay, well, you're not going to just enter the cop car. Hold on a second,
God,
okay?
Can I please? I'm going to ask you to shut off the light.
Okay, what is your name?
I have to myself.
Your card down there.
What was your name?
Can I just go? Just arrest me.
Okay.
Arrest me.
Okay.
Arrest me.
Not under arrest.
I am. I am. Put me in the car. Stop. Shut her.
31425 County.
Stop.
425.
Shut the
EMS call at 20 Hutchinson Drive.
I'll get it out of impound. Take my car, please. Everything is in the car.
Okay. Can you let us know what's going on? Because we have, all we're told is that you're sitting on someone's porch and things are going on.
10 years old.
What's that? Where were you coming from?
Her house.
Whose house?
Her house.
I don't know who she is.
Her house.
Okay, we're not going to yell. I told you that twice.
Oh,
now.
we're not going to
No,
yell?
because in a second you're going to be placed under arrest.
Her house.
Okay, relax. We need to figure that out, okay?
Yeah, figure it out.
Even,
She called.
well, when you give me nothing to go off of, I can't do that.
I'm going to go back to my
name,
car
please?
and drive away unless
No, you're
you put
not.
me in
You're
your...
not going to do that, okay? What is your name? You're telling me to figure it out. I don't know how I'm supposed to do that if you give me nothing.
It's on the corner.
What is your name? Okay.
Yeah, look at me
Okay.
stumbling.
Can you
Arrest.
stand up straight? Because without me holding you, you almost fell over.
Correct.
Okay?
Arrested, crazy.
Okay, what is your name?
Arrested, crazy.
What is your name? Stop pulling on the door, because in a sec, you're going to go in handcuffs. Relax.
Please.
What is your name?
County 31413. You need me to head to Hutchinson? 31413 received. 1959.
But I'm saying, where are they coming from? No, I don't think it was more so down.
What is your name? You're not even giving me your name. What is your name? You don't want to give me your name?
Drunk.
I don't want to call you drunk. What's your
Well,
name?
my name is Drunk.
Okay.
31413 is going to be...
We have no idea what's going on here, besides that you were sitting on someone's porch and that you drove away and you're telling me you're drunk, you drove back here, and you can barely stand up.
Correct.
Can't give me your name.
No.
Okay. All right.
Whose name?
What? You know her name? Any name?
Fubar. It's Fubar.
You're Gail, no?
Is
Almost
your name Gail?
positive your name's Gail.
Fubar.
Gail Fugar, is that your name? All right. Gail, can you take a seat? If we let you take a seat, will you give us a little bit about what's going on here? No? You don't want to talk about anything going on here today? Okay, all right.
31413, that patient's unresponsive.
Gail, are you injured at all? Do you need EMS for anything?
More officers are arriving at the scene, and one speaks with the woman Gail has been yelling at.
And I came back again in her car in my driveway, banging on my front door, and you could hear it on the 911 tape. And then she left. She turned right onto the street right here, Main Street.
Yeah, Main Street.
But I guess you guys caught it right here.
Okay.
I mean, I have a picture of her car when it was sitting outside in front of.
What's your first name?
That she was insulting up and down the wall.
Okay.
Yelling at him. Her sons are there as well. Not her sons, but the girlfriend's sons.
Yeah, no problem. All right, so we'll probably go talk to him, make sure nothing happened.
He likes to blow everything off.
Okay.
So when she's banging
That's
on my
fine,
front door,
I got you.
not once but twice.
I got you. All right. Just sit tight a second.
Yeah.
Gail finally gets her wish and ends up in cuffs.
Why don't you go arrest the woman that's in that house?
Man, we have to figure this out, but you're not giving me any information. I can't just, I don't know what's going on if you're not telling me. Everything's good. Thank you, ma'am.
Clearly.
All right. Well, ma'am, let's focus on what's going on here, okay? People see a lot of different police in their house, okay?
Everything okay? No.
Well, ma'am, that we're not going to, okay?
No, ma'am. Arrest me. Like I said, let's go. Correct.
Just stand still where you're at, okay?
I can't. I have to. What is her story? Let's go. What's the problem?
She pulled in. And she was quick, but she almost hit Brian. She did. She pulled here. She immediately stopped, and then she got out. She's saying she's drunk. I mean, why should you test on it? I don't know. She's not telling. What did she say about going on here? Is she anything domestic related?
I mean, it's not going to be domestic because she dated the uncle's son.
I'm sorry.
So she was arguing with the uncle, her uncle.
Okay.
She dated the uncle's son. Okay. So she was arguing, assuming that he was there.
Maybe you're trying to save my family and you're a hero. Oh, is everything okay?
Yeah, maybe we can try.
I hope they caught you.
Yeah, I'll stop. If this is a drunk, we're not gonna take it.
On your
everything. If it was
everything in your house.
Okay, so I'll have Chad start heading there. And
Yeah, we don't know what to do with her, right? Good, cool. Can I go now?
For some reason, it does turn when you go. Do you want us to go speak?
It's not gonna turn. He's
do you want us to
dating
go to the house? Or?
If you guys want to go to the house, see what the uncle says. But either way, it's not gonna be.
Ask why he was asking. Ask her. Where is she anyway? Why are you so mad at me? Why are you not?
Stop yelling.
Stop with the
yelling.
Stop with the man.
Yeah, I don't care. Stop yelling.
You don't care?
Yeah,
I don't care.
Stop
You're
yelling.
younger than me.
I don't care.
Why
Stop
are
yelling.
you doing that to
Ma'am,
me?
stop yelling.
And this is taking
Ma'am,
over
you're
your
2 seconds from
uncle's
getting
house?
arrested if you don't stop yelling.
Because I'm trying to protect
Back
them?
up. I don't care. Back up and stop yelling.
You don't care because you don't know about it.
I'm going to tell you one more
I
time.
don't give a
Then you're going to get locked
Are
up.
you?
right
Why are
now.
you pushing me?
Because
I
you're
didn't
coming
come
over here and
towards
screaming.
you.
Back up right
but
now.
You're the one
Back up
coming
right now.
towards me. See that?
Ma'am, back
you're
up right now.
touching
Yes,
me.
and you're on my car, so back up. Ma'am, I'm telling you right now.
I tried to
back up.
get in the car
I'm
multiple
trying to be nice
times.
to you. That's nice. Back
Why
up.
are you doing it? When I was looking out for your uncle.
Can you come over here?
Oh,
again?
look at you
Come
with
here.
your
Come over
pissy
here again.
face.
No, come over here.
You know.
Come over.
I care more about that family than anyone.
Under arrest. You're done. You're lock her up. She's
I don't.
Yeah, that's nice.
And she's done.
Yeah,
And
that's nice.
Good.
Good.
Because I'm yelling.
Yes. Yep. Because you're yelling. That's exactly why. I told you a couple times already. Stop yelling. And you want to keep yelling? That's fine.
Ex-husband,
Yeah, that's fine.
boyfriends, all of them. That's funny. You got a job that you get to do it, like to get paid.
Or one accounting.
Stupid.
Yep, that's nice.
Stupid.
Yep, that's nice.
It is nice. I was just trying to tell another woman how to handle.
I'm right here. If I'm
her
gonna bring
uncle.
What do you want?
I don't have.
I'm here, right? I got it.
Okay.
So mad? Why is that? Why is that? Look at it.
Watch your head. Nice and slow, okay?
Because I didn't speak right? Oh God, this is what I was taught in counseling. Oh no, I didn't speak right to the officers. Sorry. That'll go well.
Just disorderly right now, or?
Yeah, she's just under arrest for disorderly right now. She's screaming out curse words in front of everyone. She's screaming at this person.
You probably should check with the car. I mean, she literally almost hit Brian flying in here. She went right around him as soon as they both pulled in.
She was in the car when you got here?
Yeah, we took her out of the car.
All right. Yeah, she's drunk.
And then she was over here, and then she said she was drunk. Arrest me, drunk.
She's
that's more than.
All right, we'll take her.
I just didn't know what was going on with them. If they got physical, if there's more charges to this, or
It doesn't sound like it. It sounds like it's supposed to be disorderly
more-
persons offense with disorderly persons with DUI. So Stan, we'll grab her. We'll throw her in our car. We're going to go to 10-3 with her.
The officers move the uncooperative Gail from one squad car to another.
All right, we're gonna have you step out in a minute, okay? All right. Are we taking? Huh? Wait, that car? Rear right? Yep.
Please, I have such. Oh my God.
Step outside the car. We're taking you in a different car over here.
I can't. No, I just. I have.
This way.
No, I have. No. Stop.
All right, good. Take your time. We're going to barely no rush. We have to assist you.
No.
Don't kick your feet
stop.
to the ground and plant
Stop.
them. That's not gonna help
I
you.
have. Stop.
Okay, you
Listen
can't plant your
for a
feet on the
minute.
ground, all right? We're going about 10 feet forward.
Because I have. Stop.
What's going on?
I'm claustrophobic. Please stop.
Okay, we have to
No,
walk
I
10
was
feet
trying to
over
help
here,
them.
okay?
No, check the lady at their house. That's why I was yelling and mad. Stop.
Move your feet, because
No.
you're not going to be in the car long.
Check the other person.
There you go.
You're gonna
We're only
do
going
this.
right here.
I know.
All right.
Just keep it off.
Man, if you get in, we'll buckle you in and we'll let you know what's going on. All right?
Stop.
Yeah.
Back of the hand.
Please stop. I swear to God, I will just sit.
Anything in your pockets?
No, I will just sit. I promise you, please.
Okay.
Please take these off. I will sit there. Please just take these off.
All right, go ahead and take a seat in, okay?
No.
Ma'am, take a seat. You're planting your feet and you're... There you go.
Yeah, take these off.
Ma'am, just go ahead, take a seat. Yep.
There you go.
We'll let you know what's going on, all right?
There.
Nope. Face to your right.
No, take that.
Face to your right, ma'am.
No.
Don't.
Take that off. I cannot be
Lift
in
your
this.
leg back.
I can't be in the space.
I'm letting you know right now, you were starting
Stop.
to resist. You're going to get an extra charge. Take a seat in the car.
I'm not getting an extra charge.
Put your leg in the car.
I'm telling you, I will sit in.
Okay, stop.
I have agreed with.
Lift your leg.
Stop.
There you go.
With your. Take this
You're
off.
gonna let me seatbelt you so you're secured in here?
Jesus Christ! I'm not going anywhere.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna
I gave you my card. Like I got out and talked to you.
Watch your head, ma'am.
No.
All right. All right, we'll take it.
In the back seat, Gail pitches a fit, kicking the barrier inside the police car not one, not two, but 5 times.
Hard. Like I got out and talked to you.
Watch your head, ma'am.
No.
All right. All right, we'll take it.
Thank you. We're not even doing tests or nothing.
I'll take it. Just watch it. Good?
Yeah, watch. Grab that.
Please get out and take these off of me. Please. Stop. Can you please?
425 to county, transporting 1 female 41, starting mileage 57,150.
Please stop and take it off.
31425 receives 2010.
Let's back up and just turn around.
Can you please do this before we leave? Stop! 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 I promise you, I don't care if I go. Just take these off of me. Stop! And you're not caring. Please stop.
You're under arrest. You're not taking off the handcuffs.
I understand that, but it was to help someone else. So please take them off.
For the rest of the 10-minute ride, Gail is calmer and mostly keeps her legs to herself. But according to an incident report, once they got to the police station, Gail allegedly went off again and refused to take a breath test to measure her BAC. The report says her son came and picked her up. She was charged with DUI and disorderly conduct. An update on the outcome of the case wasn't available. Our next absurd arrest comes from Wisconsin, where a naked man reportedly took police on a wild chase in a stolen ambulance with a patient inside.
Going westbound on Bolton, there is a patient in the back of it. Northbound on 25th.
10-4. I'm behind it on 25th. We'll be coming up to Cary here soon. Or Chase, I should say.
4.
I copy that on 1060.
That's
847, just passing Clark, still going northbound. Speed's 26 miles an hour, 1080.
According to law enforcement, 2 paramedics were responding to a medical call in February, getting a patient situated in the back, when suddenly a naked man, later identified as 37-year-old Benjamin Feltz, hopped into the driver's seat. Criminal complaint says one of the EMTs got out and went around to the cab trying to get Benjamin out, but Benjamin took off, leading to the second EMT to jump from the moving ambulance, but leaving the patient inside. Police started following the ambulance, trying to get Benjamin to pull over, but he kept going for nearly 20 miles, eventually speeding up as he drove into a rural area.
847, we're still northbound on 25th, heading towards Industrial. Speed's 50 miles an hour now. Okay, the speed's 65 miles an hour, no traffic. 847, we are westbound on a dirt road towards Cranberry Marshes.
Police say Benjamin drove the ambulance around spike strips at least twice, but the third time was the charm, popping one of the ambulance's tires.
23 west from westbound, passing Cedar Lane. It appears the tires are starting to fall apart. 64, slowing on a little bit. Investigated 417 area line, 1043 with K9. 417 copies.
847 copies.
73 approaching Polish. He's slowing down, tires are deflating on him. 417 County. He just went northbound through a ditch east of Polish into a field.
But Benjamin tried to keep going, eventually getting the ambulance stuck in the mud. Police yelled for him to get out, but he didn't. So they sent in a drone to get a better look before moving in.
Just imagine if he fights for it after wrestling. What's up, Ray? Okay.
Driver of the vehicle! Shut it off now! Come on with your hands up! Driver of the vehicle! Come on now! Driver of the vehicle! Open the door!
Hands, do it now!
Come on now!
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Turn around! Put your hands away from me! Hey, hey. Someone go check on the person in the back. I got it. You got it?
As officers pulled Benjamin out of the cab, they realized he was completely naked for some reason. They took him to the hospital. The criminal complaint says Benjamin had 2 prior DUI cases, but that his blood alcohol level came back as 0. However, Benjamin allegedly admitted he might have some pot in his system and said that he drank half a bottle of Fabuloso household cleaner earlier in the day. He told officers he wasn't sure why he did that. Benjamin faces 9 charges, including recklessly endangering safety, lewd and lascivious behavior, and disorderly conduct. A judge has ordered that Benjamin undergo a competency evaluation before his court case can move forward. We got to talk about a weird one in St. Pete Beach, Florida. The situation is unfolding at a dentist's office. Employees say Karina Montanez was causing a disturbance. She wants copies of her medical paperwork, but doesn't want to wait.
Hi, thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, of course.
She's over here.
Okay.
Why can't they just do what they need to freaking do? Why? Like,
All right, what's going on?
oh, so they called the cops. They have the cops here now.
All right, what's going on?
There is nothing here. All I asked was just for my documentation about what happened here and what went on, and they refused to give me my paperwork, and that's all I asked. That's it. I don't understand why it's a problem or an issue for me to get my documentation of what happened today. Did I refuse to give it Yes, to you? you refused to give it to me, and you told me no. I said no. I said she just left the chair. I was unable to have documentation
I didn't just-
until I
Wait,
compile
let me
it.
finish. Okay.
Until I compile it, I asked her
If she would like to come back for it,
okay,
then she can come back for it.
Okay, do you understand her?
No, ma'am, please. Because I was sitting
I'm
in
not
that-
going to argue with you
I'm
about
not
this.
trying to argue with you, ma'am. Just how
She
you
said
allowed-
that you can have the documentation, just not right now.
Just how you allowed her to talk, I'm asking for the same respect.
All right, let's go outside and talk.
I'm asking for the same respect. Why is that an issue? That I'm asking for the same respect that you just gave to this woman, but you're not giving it to me.
Okay, what's going on?
The problem is, I was sitting down, okay, waiting to get the documentation. Before I got the documentation, which was asking for the things that were done here today. They told me, oh, you don't have to pay, you can just leave, it doesn't matter. They told me I didn't have to pay, I could just leave. When I told them I had the money to pay for today, and what happened today. And
so what's the issue?
The issue is all I want is documents that happened today, so that way I can take it and I can get the work done that I need it done.
You heard what she said, right? You can get it later.
But why is it an issue for me to get it?
Okay. Here. All right, can you hang up the phone? He's not part of this right now.
Okay, so I can come back later and pick them up?
I told her I would mail them to her address because
They
of
don't
the-
have an address on
and I
file.
asked her to write it down.
All right,
and
hang up
she
the
wouldn't.
phone. This person's not a part of it. Okay. All right, so you're gonna have to leave the property now. And if you come back here and cause more issues, we're gonna have a bigger issue, okay? They do not have the documents ready for you right now, and that's the end of it.
Yeah, that's it. Cool. Okay. They'll shoot in that simple. What was it?
Because they don't have an address or a place to send it to.
She
That's
does
why.
need to write
can you give her one?
Why? They already told me I have to leave. I have to leave the premises right now.
If you want them sent to you, then give them the address. It's very simple.
What address? How?
And,
They just told me to leave the premises and I can come back and pick it up later, right? Why do I have to have it mailed? Why can't I come and
Well, it's
pick it
gonna
up?
take me a minute to do it, and the way she was acting, I couldn't have her. If you guys are sitting here with her, I'll do it.
I don't care. It's up to you guys.
That's fine. I don't have to. I just want my mail to
stay here while you're here.
I'm just, when I can come back and pick up my documentation, I will come back and pick
She's
it
gonna
up.
print it up right now.
Okay, all right, just come
I
outside.
don't know. I don't want, no.
We're gonna wait outside and she's gonna print it up while we're here.
I thought she just said that they could.
Yeah, go wait outside.
Just wait outside.
Fuck off outside. Go wait outside and she'll print it for you.
Yes, Daddy.
Wait, what is it?
I don't care. Don't worry.
Are you gonna wait for the documents or not? Hello?
Oh my God. You all right?
No, I just want to leave
said,
and I can't leave.
Can you listen for 1 second? She said it was going to take a few minutes, but the way you were acting, they didn't want to do it while you were here. But now that we're here, they'll do it while we wait outside with you. Okay?
I don't.
They don't. You know what? Do you have a job?
Thank you, officer. I will wait right here.
Karina appears to wander away behind the building, and police think their work here is done. But just a few minutes later, Karina is back, and things really start to escalate. You can tell the officer is not looking forward to what's likely coming as she enters the business.
Okay. When we came back.
I'm just waiting for the paper that they said that they were just about to bring out.
Yeah, and then you left, so we thought you left.
No, I left to go for a walk so I can calm down. I didn't leave, but you told me to come back in here when everything was done. So that's what I was doing.
I just told you to wait outside, then you...
That's what I was doing outside. I was waiting.
Okay, all right, can you just sit down and we'll get your documents here in a minute.
I'll go for another walk again and wait.
Okay, no, don't go for a walk, just stay here. I don't need you walking around everywhere. I need to find where you're at so we can just give you the documents. I'm sure it'll be just
I can
another
come
minute.
back when the documents are done and I can go for a walk until then. I don't understand why it's a problem for me to just step outside and go for a walk and
Okay,
wait.
can you just step outside and just wait there? Because once they get the documents, we can just hand it to you. I can't be here all day while you're going on
You
a
don't
walk.
have to be here all day. I can come back in a few minutes when the paperwork is done. I don't understand why that's a problem.
Okay. Can you just stay here for 1 minute and then we'll get you your documents, okay?
I don't understand why.
Okay, you're making a bigger issue than it
I'm
needs
not
to be.
trying to make an issue. I'm not trying to make a problem. I'm just, why can't I go for a walk until this is done? And I can call you
Just wait a
when I'm
second.
done there.
Is it ready?
Just 2 more minutes, he's finishing his note real quick. That's why I said it would be better if she came back.
Right,
But
well,
I prefer her
now-
to come back. Ever.
Okay, so she gonna be trespassed?
Yes.
Okay,
And then,
so you hear this. Okay, if you leave the property and come back, you'll be arrested. If you leave right now, you cannot come back. Okay?
I just want my paperwork.
Okay, wait 2 minutes and you'll have your paperwork. Okay? Do you understand? If you return this property, you will be arrested.
I don't mind that. I don't care about that.
Okay, so
that's
you
fine. I just want my documentation so I can take it to my new doctor. So
Okay.
they can do what they need to do. Since they don't want me here.
Moody. Okay. So, like I said, you're just gonna have to wait here because if you leave and come back, you're getting arrested.
I can't get my paperwork and documentation even if I leave and come back?
I'm telling you.
You're not able to come back anymore. So
No.
you would like maybe have to wait.
I have to wait.
You have
2
to be
minutes for
here
what?
and
Let me write down my information or whatever.
Okay, ma'am, sit down.
I'm not a dog. I'm not sitting down like I'm a dog. I'm not a dog.
Stay right there. You're not moving anywhere. You're waiting for your documents. Unless you want to leave, then you're gonna be trespassed and you'll be arrested if you return.
I want my paperwork.
Come sit down. You're not blocking the
I'm
doorway.
not a dog.
You
I'm not a dog.
94.
For what?
We need back up here in case I have to go hands on with you. Come sit down right now.
For what?
Come sit down.
Hands on with me for what? All I asked was for my papers. I don't understand why this is an issue.
Excuse me.
You 12 on 10 for right now.
I'm not refusing anything. I didn't know. I'm asking for my documents.
Get out of the doorway. You're not going to be blocking the doorway for all these other
I'm
customers.
not blocking the doorway for anything. The door's open. Anyone can come in here. I'm not blocking anyone.
Ma'am, I do not want to go hands on with you. Can you come sit down right now?
I'm not a dog.
Who called you a dog?
You're telling me to sit down like I'm a dog.
Yes,
I'm not
get
a
out of the
dog.
door. Okay, fine. Come stand by this wall. Get out of this doorway right now.
Why?
All right, she's trespassed. They're getting her documents right now.
I'm waiting.
She wants to be
They told me to
argumentative
wait.
with me. I told her to
Mom.
sit down. She wants to call her mom and stand in the doorway.
Mom, they refuse
go wait
to give me
outside.
my issue. They refuse to
All
give
right,
me my
let's go
paperwork.
outside.
No, I'm not
Let's go
doing
outside.
anything. They
You
told
go
me to
to
wait
jail.
2 minutes
Hey.
for my paperwork. I'm waiting for my paperwork. I'm opening. The door's open, wide open.
outside
and go to
That's
jail.
an issue.
All right,
Why am I
we're
getting
done.
arrested? For what? Why am I being
Get up and go outside.
Okay, I'll get
Get up
out.
and go outside.
I just wanted my paperwork. Why is that a problem?
Get up and go outside because you're not listening. Get
I'm
up and
not
go
listening
outside.
for what I
This is
just-
a business.
Okay, and that's fine. Mom.
Get up and get outside now.
Okay, if you do not get up right now, you're going to jail.
That's it.
Just
All
go.
right, you're done.
No, I'm going outside. I'm going outside.
No,
I'm outside.
I'm not playing games
I'm
with you.
outside. I'm not playing any games. I'm not playing any games. I'm outside. I'm outside. Mom! Mom, get off of me! What am I? I'm not resisting. Oh, I'm not resisting. No, I'm not. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Turn around.
Oh, you're hurting me.
Turn around.
I'm trying to stop. Get off of me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Please.
Get on your step. Get on your step.
No, you're hurting me. Please stop. Mom, I'm stop. I'm not resisting.
Want to get tased?
No.
Let go of your hands.
Back now.
I want to go.
Hey,
Please. I just wanted my documents.
Then you should have
hey,
listened.
stop resisting.
I was listening. I was listening.
You are not listening.
I can't breathe.
Stop. Stop.
All right.
Stop.
Hey. All right, now stand up.
I just want. Ow! What is it? Please, I just wanted my paper.
We have one customer.
Why? I asked for my paper. Why? No.
Knock it off.
I'm not doing anything.
Yes,
I'm
you
just
are.
laying here.
Freaking just four of us.
Come on, sit
I'm not fighting anybody. I'm not fighting anyone. Ow, stop!
Stand up.
You're hurting me.
Then stand up.
You're hurting me. I am. You're hurting me.
Nobody is hurting you.
up.
Stand
You
up.
are. Get up. You're hurting me. Stop. Stop. Oh, you're
Stop.
Stop. Stand still.
Why are you doing this? Why are you? I just wanted my paper. I just wanted my paper. Why is this a problem? Why would I call my mom and begin an issue?
Idea.
Why?
Let the thing go. Stop it.
I didn't do anything.
Really?
I didn't do
Really?
anything. What did I do?
All right, on, let's go. Mom, hey.
No! I need my papers! I need my documents on my computer!
Knock it off!
That's my homework! That's my homework!
Where's your car?
That's my homework, please!
Knock it off!
No, that's my homework, my wallet, everything's in
We're gonna bring all your stuff now.
Get off! Hey! I need my ID! I need my wallet!
Search him, make sure you get on.
Okay. No, I need my ID. I need my wallet.
You're gonna get everything. Calm down.
No, I need my ID. I need my wallet. It's all over
You'll
there.
get everything. Calm down. This is ridiculous.
I just wanted my documentation.
Then you would have got it if you listened.
I did.
Stand up and get in the car.
No, I'm not getting arrested for
Yes,
this.
you are. Get in the car.
Why am I getting arrested?
Because now you're getting arrested for refusing to move and assaulting a police officer. Get in the car.
I didn't assault a police officer.
Get in.
No.
Man, you're gonna get pulled in if you don't get in the car. You're gonna get teased in 1 second.
I didn't assault a police officer. My fuck. I need my backpack.
Put your feet in. Hey.
I need my backpack, please.
Hey.
I
Get
need
in the
my
car.
backpack, please.
Hey, you want to be tased?
Please.
Welcome back.
I think she probably has something in her bag she doesn't want you guys to know. Does she like hid from you guys around the corner somewhere? I'm sorry. I told you I was frightened.
I did not.
Two men on
I told you we were gonna be back.
2 men on a young lady? It's just crazy to me.
She's an animal.
All right. So this is her stuff.
Hang on, I gotta close on.
Oh yeah, thanks.
This is her paperwork. I never want to see the lady again. I don't
Perfect.
know what I need to do for
All right.
that trespassing or whatever, but
She already knows she's trespassed. She caused an issue, so.
okay. Well, thank you. I apologize.
No,
It's okay. I've never in my life seen something that crazy, but I guess that's normal for you guys.
Yeah, I only saw something that's crazy one other time, and it was me fighting another girl like that.
It's always the girls.
I'll tell you what, I will fight 3 guys his size before one girl.
Karina continues to insist she hasn't done anything wrong.
What am I going to do?
Let's go. No more fighting. Let's go. Come on. You'll get out today if you don't fight.
You're gonna
Let's
get
go.
more charges if you don't comply with
The faster
this.
you get there, the faster you'll get out. As soon as you get out,
Yep.
get up. We're
Yep.
gonna put them in the front, but
Yep,
you
they're
gotta
gonna
stand
be
up. We're gonna take those off and put them in the front. All right? Wipe this off. Right up there. No. They'll be fine. We're gonna put them in the front. All right? What's your first name? What's your name?
Karina?
Karina.
I think.
We're gonna put them in the front. We're taking them off. Hang on. Stand up. You gotta stand up. Yep. You
Those
gotta
were
stand
really
up.
loose on you too.
You gotta stand up. Hang on to that. Okay. Okay. Here. Hang on. Hang on. No, you gotta put them in the front, or we're gonna put them in the back. Where do you want them? Where? Oh, stop. It's not tight. Nope. It's not tight.
hurts from the being on it.
All right, hang on.
Squeezing my wrist.
All right, hang on. Okay. Okay.
It's still too tight.
You're good.
No, it's
It is not tight. If I can get my finger in there, it's cool. Okay.
You didn't even try to put your finger through it.
Okay, here, watch your
Come on, get up in there, all right? Come on. Okay. Sit right up in the corner. All the way over.
Alright, scoot in.
Okay.
Or whatever. Or hey, you're gonna hit by the door.
Karina was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, obstructing or resisting an officer, and trespassing. According to court paperwork, the battery charge was downgraded to disorderly conduct. Karina entered a guilty plea and was given time served. In our final segment today, we're staying in Florida for this next unfortunate freakout. This time in Largo, police officers responded to a Raising Cane's restaurant.
Hi, welcome to Cane's.
Hey, are you? All right. Where do you want to talk?
Outside?
Yeah, outside's fine. We'll just go over by the car.
Perfect.
So was this today?
Yes.
Okay.
Like
Is
around
she?
1:45?
Do you know her personally?
No.
Okay, so what exactly happened?
So apparently she was missing 8 cane sauces out of her tailgate order, and I replaced it for her. I let her know, hey, we're so sorry about that. Gave her the 8 sauces. She wasn't happy about it. She wanted more sauces for free. I told her, hey, we can't do that. That's not our standard. That's not our policy. She didn't like it. She kept saying how she wasted her gas driving all the way back up here. Just basically just upset that I wouldn't give her anything for free. And so she asked for my name, and by our standards, we're not required to give it to her for security reasons, and I let her know that, and she didn't like it. So after asking me another time, and I was like, hey, like, I'm not going to give you my name, she goes and she grabs my keys, and then she grabs my thigh with it, and she's like trying to look for a name, realizes there's no name on it, and she lets go, turns around, and leaves.
So she originally came here. Did she go through the drive-thru or go inside?
Inside. She was a mobile.
Okay. Do you know if she was picking up for someone else or for herself?
For herself.
Mobile pickup. Inside. And what time did she initially come in?
I'm gonna want to say like around 1:15, 1 o'clock, around there.
Is it all on footage?
Yes.
Okay. So she comes in from mobile pickup inside at, we'll find the exact hours, grabs her bag, and then leaves?
Yes.
Okay. Then she returns.
And at first she calls about it, and then she walks in, and we're like, okay, you're on the phone with us, but you're also already here, too.
Yeah. Okay, so she returns in an hour, we'll check, after calling. Was she on the phone when she walked inside the restaurant? And are you able to find the phone number as well?
Yes, it's on our mobile tablet.
Okay. Okay, so she comes back inside, she's on the phone. Who approaches her? Do you approach her?
Yes, I walk up to her first because I can tell that she needs something.
Yep.
And that's when basically the whole incident started.
Okay, so you walk up to her, did she put the phone down?
No, she was still on it.
Still on phone. And then what was the dialogue like when you walked up?
I was like, hi, hi, how can I help you? And she was just basically going straight into it. Was like, hey, I'm missing 8 cane sauces. I just drove over here. Now I'm having to drive over here again, waiting on my sauces that I didn't get that I paid for. And I was like, I'm so sorry about that, ma'am. So I walk away from her, and I go and I grab the 8 cane sauces for her. And that's when she really gets upset because she starts asking me for free sauces. And that's when I tell her no. And that's basically that.
Okay. Where were you guys standing when she tried grabbing your lanyard?
Right where that front counter and like you go out of it.
Where that little opening is? Yeah, okay. So she grabs the lanyard. Like how far out does she pull it?
I don't think that far. I think when she turned it around and realized there was no name on it, that's as soon as she let it go.
Okay.
And right after she left.
You guys happen to have video footage that would show her car and license plate?
I don't know about her license plate. I have a picture of her standing next to her car, but it's really hard where our cameras are angled. Like, you can't really see the back of the car.
Okay. Okay. Based on what you're telling me, I'll take a look at the footage. Obviously, there's a battery if she's grabbing you without your consent. But when she's trying to take property from you with force, it could be a strong arm robbery, which is a felony, even if it's attempted. So we'll go take a look at the footage and see what we can look at on there. Can you access on your phone?
No, I cannot, and I would also have to call my boss.
Okay.
Because they're the only ones that have access to it.
Yeah, if you could just let them know what's going on, tell them that we're out here right now, and if there's a way for us to access it. There she is. What time is this? 1:25.
This is it. Yeah, like right about 1:25. I'm gonna do 2 views here. I'm gonna do this one and then that's one.
Oh, perfect.
She said that she was on the phone with the other manager at the time.
Okay.
This went down. And then she went off on top of whatever, at least with some cane sauce.
611, 613 back in, subject close.
According to a police report, surveillance shows Mackenzie talking to a worker at the counter. When another employee brings her those 8 containers of cane sauce, she's reportedly seen grabbing a worker's badge, and they have a brief tug of war over it. Police were able to get Mackenzie on the phone, but she swore she didn't do anything wrong.
I'm doing an information report about some sort of incident that happened at Raising Cane's on East Bay today.
Yeah, I was checking an ID to see if she had a name tag on there.
Okay. Like I said, it's just an information report. I just got to come talk to you, get your side of the story. If you don't mind filling out a witness statement. Is there some place I can meet you so you can fill that out?
Later today, but not at the moment.
Okay. Where can I meet you later today? Or would you like to come down to the police department?
I don't know. This is ridiculous. I literally grabbed the tag to check her name, so I don't know why this is being, targeted against me. I literally did nothing wrong.
Okay. I'm not saying that you did. I'm just saying that I need to speak to you. That's it.
Okay, I guess I can meet you there at maybe 7 p.m.
7 p.m. at the Largo Police Department?
I don't know where that's at.
It's at, I can give you the address if you'd like, unless there's somewhere else you'd like to meet.
I'd prefer to not go there.
Okay, where would you like to go? I can go to Starbucks, wherever you'd like.
That's fine. I just really don't understand why I'm being targeted for asking for someone's name and checking their ID for it.
Because there was a report made to the police department, and I have to talk to each person involved and get their side of the story so I can close the report.
So am I going to get in trouble?
Not necessarily. I just need to get your side of the story so I can get it documented, and then, like I said, I can close everything out. But
I checked someone's ID for their name. That's literally all I did. She refused to give me her name, and I checked her ID for her name.
Okay, I got you, but I have to talk to you in person because we have body cams these days, so everything has to be done in person.
I just feel like if I meet you in person, I'm going to get arrested or something, and I'm not really comfortable with that. Can we just meet at the Publix on East Bay, I-19?
Yeah, the one where the Dollar Tree and everything else is?
Yes.
Yep, that's fine. Publix, 7 p.m.
It's literally going to ruin my life because I checked for someone's ID. This is ridiculous.
I just said I just need to get your side of the story.
No, you guys just always seem to target someone who's literally done nothing wrong, so it's fine. I'm just going to have my life ruined because I asked for someone's name and I checked their ID for it.
Okay.
She refused to service me, so it's fine.
So I'll meet you at 7 p.m. at the Publix, okay?
When Mackenzie showed up at the grocery store, she had her parents in tow.
So would you still like to fill this out?
I think so.
Okay.
What is she agreeing to if she signs that?
So this is just the Miranda rights. So it's just saying that whatever she writes on here can be used in court, and that she's swearing that what she writes here is the truth of what actually happened.
Mm-hmm.
That's all.
That's it?
Yep.
Well, yeah, but can I ask a couple?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so, we haven't had time, this all happened, we haven't had time to call an attorney or anything like that. So, at least what we understand in this, Mackenzie's first of all a great kid. She's never had a problem, never been issues. She works right down the road here. And so, I guess all I'm asking is, so should we get an attorney first, or before we sign anything, or?
So it's up to you. It's not going to make a difference of what happens right now. I'm just offering her the opportunity to tell me what happened so that I can include that in the report. If she doesn't want to tell me what happened, she doesn't want to write it down, there's not going to be her side of the story. So if she'd like to speak with an attorney, she absolutely can. It's not going to change the outcome of tonight. But if she doesn't provide me her information, I won't have her story to provide to the state attorney or anything like that.
What is the outcome of tonight?
So you're facing charges right now for what happened at Raising Cane's, but I would like to understand your side of the story and what happened.
I did not know that checking someone's name tag was illegal.
So it's not just checking someone's name tag, but
I grabbed it and checked her name was on it. It wasn't, so I let it go and I left. That's how I saw everything happen.
I also wear a badge for work in the same place, and it has our names on it. And I've had patients grab mine to see my name, so I did not realize that grabbing someone's name tag to check for their name after they refused to give me their name was even illegal. Life's going to be torn apart because I checked someone's name tag when she refused to give me her name when I was asking her for help, and she wasn't helping me. And I manage a business, so when someone asks me for help, I'm there to help them, and I'm going to give you my name regardless of if I want to or not.
I hear you. We are required to give our names when someone asks. Our name and badge
and
number.
I would do the same thing, and I've had people grab my badge to get my name, and that's, I'm never going to charge someone and ruin their life because of that.
So unfortunately, private businesses have their own practices and policies, and Raising Cane's has a policy where if someone asks for your name, even if you're an employee, they're not required to give them their name.
Well, she could have mentioned that. Instead, it was just no, and I was just being told no. No one explained to me that I can't have her name physically, and how am I supposed to know that walking into every establishment that, like, I'm going to need that plastered on the door if that's going to be something everywhere, because that's just pretty standard to get people's names on a name tag.
Where we're at is that, unfortunately, you can't just reach and snatch things from people. Per state statute, it's considered when you take something or attempt to take something with force, it's a robbery. So the charge she's looking at right now is a strong arm robbery with no weapon. The state
with a weapon?
With no weapon. Yeah, no weapon. There's some things that meet the criteria. Is that there has to be force involved, which when she's ripping it from her, and she also hit the manager in the leg, that's force. And the manager was in fear. So those are the stipulations. I have statements from everyone that was involved, everyone that witnessed it. I have the footage. I've looked at her record to see what they might be able to do. She has been involved in a theft in the past, but they A-padded her, which means that instead of charging her with a crime and convicting her of it, it was something that they're able to give her community service for. So that's something that I didn't look to see if she was ever convicted, but I saw that she was given an A-pad, which means that wouldn't necessarily go on her record. So if this is the only thing that she's looking at, the state attorney will more than likely work with her on a plea deal to either drop it to, because a strong arm robbery is a felony charge. So more than likely, because her record's pretty clean, they'll work with her on a plea deal to drop it to a misdemeanor. I can't promise you, but depending on the case, if the witnesses later decide, oh, I don't want to move forward with this, they could drop the charges too. Unfortunately, where I stand is if it was a misdemeanor and it was just a battery, I could use my discretion and just forward the charges. Felons, domestic violence, which this isn't domestic violence, I'm just explaining to you. I don't get to use discretion. So the probable cause is there. I have to make the arrest.
I apologize. When you get a sec, I contact you.
Yeah, absolutely. So that's where we're at right now.
I wasn't trying to do anything other than get her name, and she refused it, and I did not know that they couldn't give me their names if they didn't want to.
I got you. So just so I understand, you're saying this has happened to you before, so that's kind of why you didn't think it would be a crime.
Yes, this has happened to me all the time. I wear mine right here like this, the same exact place she had hers. People grab this all the time and say, "What's your name?" and grab at it. I have never, ever thought to call you guys because of that. Never once did I thought this was illegal for someone to grab something that's on me, because I've literally walked by someone and they've grabbed things. I did not think this was illegal by any sort of means.
I hear you. So from speaking with you, it sounds like you're a good person. It sounds like you didn't have any ill will. Unfortunately, where we're at is that I don't have discretion on this.
Can you take my badge?
They can take anything that you need.
Lock my car. I'm gonna drive your car.
Let's do a little bit. So everything that you told me, I'm going to include in the report, your reasoning for it, because if this has happened to you in the past, it makes complete understanding to me. So when you get down to the jail, they'll go ahead and tell you what your bond will be. Unfortunately, us on patrol, we have no idea, because that's through the sheriff's office.
So where do my parents need to go?
So you'll be transported down to Pinellas County Jail. The way it works is it's, you got it? Yeah. Pinellas County Sheriff's Office contracts Allied Transport to pick up people outside of the hours of 3 a.m. to 7 a.m. So a transport van will come over here and take you to the jail. You want to search her?
Yeah.
Yes. So we'll put in the request, and then they'll come pick her up and take her to the jail. And then she'll get her phone call, and they'll let you know what your bond will be.
And then how do I call the?
She'll get the phone call.
Yeah, so they'll give you a phone call. So she can take her phone. They'll even have a charger down there. She can access all her contacts, everything.
We'll take that out there. All right, we'll take it out.
So what does she do? Call me as soon as?
Yep, she can give you a call as soon as they give her.
Come over this way. I love you.
As soon as they give her the opportunity to give her a call, she can take her phone with her, so she has all her contacts, and then she can give you a call to let you know what's going on, what the bond is. And if they give her a bond, which she has no violent history, just the prior theft, which was APATted, I don't see why they wouldn't give her a bond. You don't have to post a full bond, it's just a percentage, like 10 or 20%. Like I said, unfortunately I don't work in the jail, so I don't know exactly the percentage. And then if they give her a bond, you can post a bond and get her out tonight. The processing does take a couple of hours, so I'm going to have a van roll this way, so hopefully we can get everything done as soon as possible. Like I said, this is really an unfortunate circumstance. It does seem like she's a really good person. I just, unfortunately, don't have discretion when it comes to a case like this.
Mackenzie was charged with strong-arm robbery and bonded out the next day on a $2,500 bond. Court records show her case was downgraded from a felony to misdemeanor. Then, in 2026, Mackenzie filed paperwork to have the arrest expunged. Updates after that were sealed. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. This episode of Law and Crime After Hours was researched, written, and produced by Savannah Williamson. Video editing is done by Daniel Camacho. I'm Jesse Weber. We'll see you next week.